Alright, so this video is going to be like a part 2 or part 3, I guess you would say. So on Royal Caribbean's website, it states that it's just gives you like a packing list or tips for an adventure-filled trip. We are going to Alaska, so first aid is kind of like a major thing, you know. So one of the things on their list is going to be like some sort of first aid kit. So I went online and I searched some good first aid kits, and this one right here is by Surviveware. You can get it for about 36 bucks on Amazon. But you know, first initial thoughts are, you know, it's packaged very well. It's very compact. This is going to go right in my day pack, so it's going to be going everywhere with me. But here's just a list of what stuff comes with it. So 6-inch bandage shears. It's in a 600D polyester bag, so that's pretty water resistant. Adhesive bandages. Let's see here, 5 of those, H-shape, large, mini, square, standard. Then it's got some alcohol wipes, antiseptic wipes. It comes with a first aid guide, cotton swabs, CPR kit and mask, emergency mylar blanket, iPad, hypoallergenic tape, laminate baggies. Got some gloves, more bandages, Q-tips, safety pins, splinter probes. Let's see here, steri-strip closures, sting relief wipes, triangular bandages, tweezers, and a whistle. So that's one of the main things that it tells you to have with you when you're going to when you're going to, you know, an area that's pretty secluded. So we're going to Alaska, so a whistle will help you like attract people, and you know, it's for signaling help. So let's just open this up. Get that out of the way. Alright, so first pocket. It's going to be for your like medicine. And that's another thing I forgot to add. It doesn't come with any of that in here. You know, like some smaller ones usually come with like ibuprofen or just like Benadryl or something like that. So that's something that you're going to want to add along with your personal items. There's nothing else in there. And then it comes with different carrying ways where you can, you know, mount this on a belt or this. Maybe put it in some molly. Alright, so yeah, let's see here. That is just I think that's some ad stuff. Put that over there. Alright, so here comes the smaller bandages. Here's your CPR kit. I'm not gonna open that up, but it also gives you instructions on what to do if you're not familiar with it. This is for adults, this is for children. I'd recommend you get the training though. Don't just utilize this. And there's some tape. There's those 6-inch shears. Safety pins are attached to here. Tweezers. These are some pretty good tweezers actually. Keep in mind, you're getting a lot for $36, and the cool thing is it's labeled. It's labeled very, very well. So, resuscitation mask. You've got your tape, tweezers right here. And we've got, I want to say these are splinter probes. Yeah, splinter probes. Yeah, and they're sterile. Right here we got your gauze, Q-tips, whistle, small. Alright, and some more. Oh, here's another list of everything that's on there. If you wanted to like screenshot that, you could. Alright, just pressure bandage. Cleaning wipes. I don't want to take everything out. Here's some cleaning wipes, cotton gauze. Here's your emergency blanket and this. So yeah, that's this part, this, I don't know, episode, I guess you would say, or whatever, for things that I am going to be fitting all of this stuff into that compact Swiss gear organizer bag. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in here and show you what it's going to be like at the bottom of the bag. Alright, so here's the bag in all its glory. Alright, and it's going to be fitting down into that bottom pocket. First, just let me show you what it's like, you know. It's pretty thin, so let's see how much width this adds. Takes up this whole bottom down here. Takes up that whole bottom. Sorry, I hit the camera on that. And it actually makes it pretty, you know, it fills it out the full width of the bag. So, and, yeah, everything that I'm making a video on, I'm gonna put it in the pack after I'm done with it, and it's literally just gonna stay there until it's time for the cruise. So that's it. Thanks for watching.